Hi guys, we're Nick and Sam, and today we're going to be showing you our electric setup in our micro caddy camper van build.
That's right, we have taken on another van build and this one will be for sale at the end. We'll also be making a couple of other videos like a time lapse of the build as well as a van tour.
As you can see, we're mid-build, so we're giving you a little bit of a sneak peek already.
We will be using the Powers R600 portable power station instead of a traditional electric setup for many reasons really.
It's micro camper friendly. Look how tiny this thing is. It weighs just 5.8 kilograms.
It's a space saver. It's truly compact, as in everything you need is in here. The battery, the inverter, and all of the bits you need to run your electrics. If you bought these parts all separately, it would take up way more space.
It's portable. If you need power outdoors, then this can come with you. It's safe. Unlike a DIY electrics install, this is certified.
All Powers have a range of power stations, different sizes and colours, but today we're going to be looking at the Powers R600 portable power station. That is what we believe is all you need for a weekend camper. So let's talk specs. This power station has a long-lasting LiFePO4 battery with 299 watt hours. It has a 600 watt pure sine wave inverter with a 1200 watt peak. It also comes with an intelligent battery management system, a 15 watt wireless charger so you can just place your phone on top, and a smart app control so you can manage your device from the palm of your hand. Other features we love about this power station is you can power 10 essential devices simultaneously and you get 5 years warranty. It really is perfect for camper vans, motorhomes, boats and outdoor living.
So what are we going to be powering from it? We're going to be using it to power this Alpicool 15-litre car mini fridge. And these USB lights. But of course, with all of these plugs, you'll be able to charge all of your essential electronics like your phone and laptop.
If you were to power the lights using this power station from full to flat without it pulling in any power throughout, these lights would run for 50 hours.
However, with 200 watts of solar on the roof, you're likely to be pulling in power throughout the day, so they're gonna last a lot longer. So let's move on to how you charge the power station.
There are multiple input methods for charging up this power station. As mentioned, one of them being the 200 watt solar panel on the roof. It would take approximately 2 hours to charge the power station from 0 to 100% in full sun. The same applies if you use a 200 watt portable power solar panel. Another method for charging your power station is using the 12 volt power socket in the cab whilst you drive. Similarly to how a DC to DC or battery to battery charger works, this would take approximately 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. The final way is by plugging it into the mains. As it's portable and lightweight, you can take it around with you or bring it into your house whilst your van isn't in use. Charging via the mains is the quickest way, only taking 1 hour to get from 0 to 100%, one of the fastest we've seen on the market to date. What's really cool about this power station is you can dual charge it by using the solar panels and the mains at the same time. I do just want to mention that this 12 volt cable does not come as part of this kit, so you will need to grab it separately, and it is available on the All Powers website. So where will our electrics actually be going? This frame here that you can see is actually a bed frame, however it's been built at 220 centimetres, so we don't need all of that. So what we're doing is building a storage unit at the end here, which will also create a divider between the home and the driver's seat. So our storage unit will run along the back here, which will have a slot for you to store whatever you want in, as well as a place for the power station to sit in up here. And we've decided to put the power station up high so that the solar panel wires don't need to run really far around the van. So this will connect into here and then it can be charged via the port on this side. So all the wires will run along that side, as well as our lights. They'll be running along the roof and will need to be plugged into the USB. So again, we don't want our wires trailing all over the place. The fridge is positioned under the bed frame and it will be on a sliding tray so you can easily access it. And the charging port is down here on this side, so the wire can either run along this side or along the back and go into the area where the power station will sit. that is our micro camper Caddy van build electric setup, and sometimes simple is best. And don't think you can only do it in a small van build, you can absolutely do it in a big van build too. There are some incredible power stations out there with hell of a lot of power.
Yeah, like the All Power R4000. It has 3,600 watt hours and a 4,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. And with this kind of technology on the market now, if you struggle with the electric side of things, even in a big van build, a power station could work for you.
So if you've got any questions at all, let us know in the comments, and make sure you give us a thumbs up, turn on those notifications and hit subscribe. Ciao!